Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. So we are just chilling for now. Let Mr. Noah get some alone time before his speech therapy starts. And so I figured I'd make some coffee, and I figured I might as well turn on the camera because generally I do vlog on Wednesdays. Just because generally on Wednesdays I never really work. So yeah, so I figured I might as well turn on the camera. So I'm getting ready to make myself some coffee. And I probably won't show y'all because, no, I make coffee all the time. I show y'all. I'm sure y'all probably tired of seeing that by now. But yeah, I'm gonna get some coffee, try to warm up. I just came from upstairs. I went up there to get my little cardigan. This is my Barefoot Dreams cardigan. And I like to wear this around the house when I'm feeling cold. Like I want to be snuggled under a blanket, but I can't right now because I got to get ready for speech therapy. So yeah, speech therapy is virtual, so it'll be on the computer. And this is actually his last session, which is making me very nervous. But this is his last session because he starts kindergarten next week. And previously when he was going to school, he was in pre-K and he only went a couple days a week, and then we kind of did therapy on the other days. Well, now since he's going to be in kindergarten, you know, this is a required thing, so he needs to be there every day. So I had to cut back on a lot of his therapy. I may add them back in just after I see how he adjusts to being in school all day, 5 days a week. But I didn't want to overload him. So I didn't cancel all of his therapy. But he has been going to therapy since we knew he had some delays, which was when he was about between 15 and 18 months is when he started any type of therapy. So he's been doing it for a while. So we're just going to see how it goes. Are any of you moms out there nervous about school? I know we're not going to get into the debate on whether you think you should send your kids to school or whether they should be home. We're not going to talk about that. I feel like that's a decision that parents have to make. So we're not going to talk about it. But either way, they're still going back to school in some form. So I know a lot of you are probably nervous like I am. So yeah, let us know in the comments how you're coping. Hopefully you're not getting too anxious about it, or if your kids have already started school, hopefully it's going well, and hopefully virtual learning or whatever choice you made is going well. So anyway, let me make my coffee, stop rambling, and I'll check in with y'all later. So I changed my mind about not showing you me making coffee because I wanted to show y'all this new creamer I picked up. I did show this on my Instagram stories. If you're not following me there, why not do it now? In case you don't know, I do have a new Instagram. It is simply.ayesha.blog. Please follow me there. I don't really have that many followers yet, but I plan on dedicating that to my blog / YouTube life. I still have my old Instagram too, which will, be me posting random family pictures. So, you can follow me there too, but please follow my new one. But anyway, this is a new creamer that I saw at Target the other day, and it's almond milk and oat milk, non-dairy creamer from Starbucks, and this is the caramel macchiato flavor. So I've been using it for about a week now, and I really like it. So I figured I should go ahead and share that with y'all since I was getting ready to use it. Hey y'all, it's later in the day. I picked up Chloe from school, and I also picked up a couple items from Target and from Michael's, so I wanted to go ahead and share them with y'all. It might be helpful to some of you guys, but I picked up this calendar. Noah is very routine oriented, and he's starting a new school, and also his therapy schedule is going to change. So I figured a calendar may help him. He does like calendars, and he usually looks at the one on his iPad, but I think a written calendar would be better because he won't be able to really adjust it like he does on his iPad. He knows how to add events in on his iPad. So I feel like if this is different, then maybe it'll work better for him. All right, and then the other thing that I got, which was actually from Michael's, is this. It's my first day of school. And I'm gonna fill this out for Noah. It's like a chalkboard, and then on the back it has my last day of school. So it's not specific to kindergarten, but that means you can reuse it every year. So I'll have him take a picture of this on the first and last day of school, and hopefully I'll be able to keep that tradition going and see how he grows every year. I'll try to link everything down below. I purchased it all online and then picked up in store or curbside or whatever. So, and then I also got these chalk markers from Michael's to write on my chalkboard. Oh, I didn't mention it before, but this one, the calendar, actually came with these chalk pencils, which I thought was cool. I've never seen those. So that'll allow me to write like at a regular size in here. And then also for Noah, I went ahead and picked him up a backpack and a lunchbox. Noah will be going to school, so yeah. So I got him another lunchbox. This is from Cat and Jack. He had the same type of lunchbox before, just in a different print. But the one that he had before is done for. So that's this one. And then I got him a backpack that matches, and this is glow in the dark. So hopefully he likes this one. He's gonna be going to another school, so I decided like he really didn't need a new backpack. He already had one that he really like looks brand new. But I'm hoping that this stuff kind of gets him excited because it is gonna be a transition. So I'm trying to buy things that'll help with that. Oh, I did pick up a couple shirts for him and some shorts, so might as well show y'all that too. Got these shorts from Cat and Jack from Target. And then this shirt says it's cool to be kind. And then another shirt that says Cool Cat, which with a lion on it, which I thought was cute. Hey y'all, happy Friday. So I just finished filming 2 videos. Shout out to me. But now my room is a mess. I'm actually filming upstairs in my bedroom and bathroom today just because Noah's downstairs in therapy. And where I normally film is my office. However, I feel like when I film in there, he can hear me, and sometimes it distracts him because I have to talk loud when I'm filming. Not like super loud, but I don't have a microphone. Like I don't use an external microphone when I film. So sometimes I feel like it distracts him. So it's more work for me to film up in my room, honestly, because I have to carry stuff. And like, I don't get that good of lighting in my room. So like today I brought up my ring light and I have my camera, and yeah, so my room is a mess right now. So I'm gonna clean it up soon, but I really don't feel like cleaning it up now, honestly. So I think what I'm about to do is go fold up some clothes for Chloe, put those away, and then maybe I'll come back in here and clean up my room. But anyway, I wanted to check in with y'all, see how y'all are doing on this fine Friday. And let me show y'all what fragrance I'm wearing today. All right, so this is my fragrance today. It's Jean Paul Gaultier Classique Essence or Essence. And I actually purchased this from another YouTube. She was selling it on her Instagram. So I don't know if she wants, well, she posted on her Instagram, so I'm sure she won't mind. But it's from Vividly Nini. I hope y'all are following her on Insta and on YouTube. She is a lovely YouTuber. She talks about fragrance, but also like other womanly things like self-care and that type of thing. And she is a mom, so shout out to her. She's very sweet. But she sold this to me for an awesome price, and I love it. This is my first time like wearing it all day. When I first got the package in the mail, I think last weekend, I sprayed it a little bit on my hand. But this is my first time wearing it all day, so more to come about this. But yeah, so far so good. So I'm back in my room, getting ready to clean up my stuff. But I wanted to show y'all my little Sephora haul from their sale. It's actually still running right now. I did share a wish list on Instagram. I'll try to see if I can link it down below for you guys. But I only got a couple things, smallest Sephora sale haul ever. But I really just, I'm not trying to buy anything right now. So I just bought what I needed. Well, for the most part. So you can get, I think $15 off $75 or $20 off $100, if I remember correctly. So the item that I really needed is this from Drunk Elephant, which is $70. Right, this is why I stopped using it for a while. because I don't want to pay for that. But I'm back to it, y'all. I'm back to it. This is the best retinol for me. I notice a difference when I don't use this. And I had a little small like trial size one that I've been working through. I've bought the big one before, but I'm working through my trial size one and I'm out of that now, so I need it. This again, so that's what this is. So yeah, nothing that exciting. It also comes with a little trial size of their B Hydra, which I like, but I've purchased this before, but I don't feel like I like it enough to keep repurchasing that. But I do like when they give them to me as far as trial sizes, because I like to take those out of town with me. So that's that. And then the other thing that I needed was chapstick. And why not get it now? Sometimes I order this from Amazon. Sometimes I get it from Sephora. But since they were having the sale, I figured I might as well get it from Sephora. But this is Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and this is a new limited edition scent. It's called Gummy Bear. Never smelled this one, but I usually get the regular one, which is, I think it's like berry or something. It smells good. It definitely smells like gummy bears. I'm very familiar with the smell of gummy bears because children. But yeah, this smells good. I already know I like this product, so these are the things I needed. And then I needed to get like one more item to be able to get it to $100 and get the $20 off. So I bought this lip gloss from Sephora. This was on my loves list. And I was really just looking for something cheap. Not that I didn't want this, because like I said, it was already on my loves list. But there's a lot on my loves list. But I was really trying to keep my total like right at $100. But this is one of their new glosses, and this is the shade #blessed, and it's supposed to be like a taupey color. So I already have gloss on, so I'm not really gonna be able to put it on, but actually I'll put it on top. That's pretty. It feels good. Yeah, I like this. I think that'll be a nice like everyday gloss. It feels moisturizing-ish. It doesn't feel too sticky. I don't have a mirror right now, but using my phone, I think it looks good. I don't notice it accentuating dry spots or anything on my lips. So yeah, happy I got that. I like the packaging too. Yeah, I'm sure this will rub off, but I like the packaging. So that's it for my little Sephora haul. I got some samples. Prada candy. I know I didn't ask for this. And then YSL Libre, which I did ask for because I want to smell this. I've smelled it before in store like a long time ago, but I want to try it on my skin because so many people love this. But I remember when I smelled it, I don't know, it didn't stand out to me. So I'm happy to have a sample so I can actually really play around with this. So that's it, guys. That's my little Sephora haul. Did y'all pick up anything from it? I am going to finish cleaning up, and then it'll be time for Noah's therapy to be over. So I don't know if I'll be back on today or later today, but I'll see y'all. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So I know I've been MIA the past few days, but it's nothing to vlog really. So I wanted to show y'all real quick Noah's calendar, since I showed it to you all when I got it. It is filled in now, ready for his first day of school tomorrow. I'll also show you his little name board because I probably won't vlog anything. Well, I know I won't vlog anything for his first day of school unless it's when we're at home, like before he leaves, but I probably won't even do that. I'll probably take pictures and videos, but it'll just be for like family use. So yeah. So I'm excited, a little nervous. He's excited. Yeah, so praying it goes well. But let me show y'all his calendar. So this is his calendar. I decided to hang it up by our garage door right there. Because this is the way we leave the house every morning. So today I brought him over here and showed him his calendar and showed him, you know, for tomorrow what he's going to be doing. I'm just hoping that this will help with all his schedule changes because he still be getting some therapy, but like, I don't know, his schedule is changing a lot. So I'm just trying to make sure that I'm doing what I can to you know, make the transition easier for him. So yeah, that's that. I do really like this calendar, and I like these pencils. I've never seen chalk pencils, but yeah, the calendar feels really nice quality. It looks nice, and I think that's gonna work well. So this is his first day of school board that I bought from Michael's, and I just filled it in using a chalk crayon or chalk marker. So I plan on using this every year. I'm covering up his school name and his teacher name just because that's weird, but you can see I filled it out, and he read over this today. He told me, like, they have favorite color down there. So he told me what his favorite color was. And yeah, I thought this came out really cute. And then I'll show y'all the back. So this is the back that says my last day of school. That's of course it's not filled out, but I plan on filling this out on his last day of school and taking a picture on that day too. And I'm gonna try to do this every year for both the kids. Chloe, I won't start it until she goes into probably pre-K or something, but or till she goes to kindergarten probably, just to make it even. But yeah, I thought that was cool. So I'll have them take a picture wearing or with this tomorrow. So that's it. I really just wanted to share that with y'all so I didn't leave y'all hanging. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog here. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.